Today teacher Wendy is going to read a story about monster trucks, and this is requested by a boy called Siow Yijin. Hi Yijin, hope you enjoy the story. Elbow Grease, My Monster Truck Family by Cena. My name is Elbow Grease. Nice to meet you. I am a monster truck. Look at me go. Zip, zap, zoom. I have 4 brothers. They are also monster trucks. Boom! This is Tank. He is big. Vroom! This is Flash. He is fast. Aha! This is Pinball. He is smart. Woohoo! This is Crash. He is wild. This is Mel. She built us all. We are a monster truck family. When one of us gets dirty, pew, we all help clean him up. When one of us gets hurt, oucheroo, we all help fix him up. When one of us gets sad, boo-hoo, we all help cheer him up. Yay! When one of us gets sick, achoo, we make him soup. We take care of each other. Plus, we get to play together. Crash, splash. I love my monster truck family.